Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to make new project on Wix.com. So guys, if you want to get started at creating your own website using Wix, you can get started with my link in the description down below, so make sure to click on it. And now once you are on Wix, just simply go ahead and go to all sites over here at the top and just simply select your site. And after that, guys, just simply go ahead and click on edit site over here on the top right. And now from here, just simply wait for it to load as we prepare your site. And from here, just simply go ahead and go to the pages and menu on the left side of the screen over here. And now from here, guys, just simply go ahead and go to the site menu over here at the top. And now just simply go ahead and click on add menu item. So from here, just simply click on link over here. And now from here, just simply go ahead and go to the page. And from here, just simply choose which page. And from here, guys, just simply go ahead and click on add a new page. From here, guys, just simply go ahead and click on projects over here. And now once you are on projects, you should be able to see here all of the templates that are available to take. So just simply go ahead and select your design. So it will be depending on you. So let's say I'm gonna go for this one, minimalist. So I'm gonna go for add page. And from here, you should be able to make a new project on Wix. From here, just simply provide the name of the page and click on done. And from here, you can rearrange it, whether you're going to put it on the bottom of your site. So it will be depending on you guys. And now from here, you can just simply edit it and just simply adapt it based on your brand, and you can just simply change the pictures, you can just simply change the text and the titles, and that's pretty much it. If you want to edit it, you should be able to see here edit text or change background, or you can just simply go ahead and manage columns. So just simply select what you want to change. That's simply about it. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching, guys. See ya.